I'm really proud of the accomplishments that the credit union has made in this past year, and just from a whole team aspect, it really rallied the whole organization together.
I think everyone has this feeling now that we're starting to gel and things are coming together and we're all moving in the same direction.
At times it's very challenging, very stressful, but I also get a sense that we've achieved a lot.
Being a part of this successful team for me is thrilling. It's very satisfying to me to see what we're doing working.
San Francisco Federal Credit Union has gone through a dramatic transformation, both from a physical appearance and from its cultural standpoint of view as well. Approximately 4 years ago, our credit union was financially very sound. However, we were having challenges serving our members and really serving the marketplace here in San Francisco.
So the culture before here in the credit union was very autocratic. We had managers telling their employees what to do, and they did it. And not a lot of focus on the direction of the organization.
We weren't really involved with what's going on with the credit union. We kind of kept our heads down, did our work, not much communication.
I would say now we're a lot more progressive, we're growth oriented, we're actually focusing on member growth. We're out there asking for the business. We have a relevant offering in the marketplace now.
We put a lot of programs in place that we're really quite proud of. And part of that, we worked with the Connections online software and program in looking at our strategic plan. How could we transition our credit union over a 4-year period into being a progressive credit union to better serve the needs of the members?
Connections for us is the big roadmap to the future. We can chart where we want to be, what our 5-year vision looks like, and really put the dream out there.
Connections is the building blocks of the credit union. It allows us to collaborate and communicate more efficiently and effectively within the organization.
We really have now an organizational structure that is very defined.
Part of Connections is the individual dialogues that come with it. And these are the individual dialogues that my staff have with me on a one-to-one basis. And that's really allowed them to tell me what's working, what's not working, concerns that they may have. They provide ideas, which in turn I bring to my individual dialogues with Rebecca. And it goes all the way up to Stephen.
So it has enabled us to keep on task and to make sure that we are always looking at that ultimate end goal.
Each layer of the credit union has an aspect within Connections. So our organizational level, and then going down by department and then by individual. So you really see how your individual work, the work that you do on a day-to-day basis rolls up to your department and how that rolls up to the organization, and then how that helps us to go towards our destination and the direction that we're moving.
For us, we set our 2015 destination of really growing membership because we felt that was the key to a healthy, growing organization.
When we wanted to look at what we needed to do to increase our membership growth, we needed to put a lot of the groundwork in place. And we started with our sales and service program. But in order to also just sell the credit union, we knew we also needed to do a rebranding.
And that was really changing the organization really from top to bottom so that we could come out and deliver the promise that we were talking about.
One of our biggest accomplishments here at the credit union was the completion of our remodeling of our main corporate headquarters. We were able to take the elements of our brand and incorporate that through the style of our branch.
Our members enjoy it. I mean, they come in and they talk to our staff and they say, wow, you know, this is it's a great looking branch.
We needed to take a look at not only the look and feel of our branches, but also our marketing material, change our colors, update the voice of the credit union so that it was more relevant. And now that we've done that, we have a really great foundation to move forward and to go out for new members and new customers in the San Francisco area.
As we wanted to improve member service areas, we really greatly enhanced our sales and service approach. We retrained employees, we set additional goals in the sales and service area, and then we use as a key component is our mystery shops.
In 2009, we implemented another secret shop and used that as our benchmark and our starting point. We have had 2 additional shops since 2009, and with that we have migrated slowly but surely through each of those phases, where at this point our branches are at the true sales and service level of culture that we're looking for. We're really proud of the fact that we made great strides.
And now we're seeing membership growth in the 3% area, and we continue to increase those goals as we gain momentum in the marketplace. San Francisco is a technologically advanced city. We have many of the high-tech partners reside here in San Francisco, and as we attract those members to our credit union, we really need to have the electronic tools to allow them to do their banking anywhere they want, through their tablet, through their smartphone, and we really needed to revamp all those channels.
We have a new informational website, we have a new online banking website, we redid our mobile banking, as well as we implemented personal financial management tools that enable our member to manage their finances not only with us but other institutions as well. We have strong membership growth goals for the institution, and these technology enhancements that we have done help us achieve those membership goals that we've set forth.
A real critical area that we needed to look at for the organization was our loan production and our loan balance sheet. Loans were at about 36% loan to share. That is really significantly below our peer group. So we knew we needed to do quite a bit of work in that area. Part of that was recruiting talent into our organization, such as Rebecca Reynolds-Lytle as Senior Vice President of Lending, as well as other lending individuals to really supplement our opportunities to grow in that area.
This last year, 2012, was the best year we've had so far, and it's due to teamwork, a lot of innovation over the last few years, and really having the ability to have an open channel of feedback, both upward and downward, and then taking that feedback and putting it into actionable innovation. We have done a lot of work on our infrastructure, particularly in our real estate department, where we've enjoyed a tremendous amount of growth this year.
We've grown over 20% last year versus the previous year. We implemented an online application system that really increased our volume. We've also worked with the Mayor's Office of Housing. They participate in first-time homebuyer programs, and we are one of the participating lenders, and that's actually brought in quite a few business for us. And because of our success with them, the members that are within these programs are also referring their friends.
It has helped us to really get those loans out to our members and basically double our volume in real estate loans.
This has been our best year ever. As we recap and look at the year, we've had a significant number of accomplishments, with loan growth reaching 18%, really significant share growth, membership growth on the positive side, but we've also, as I said, revamped our entire brand and built our value of our organization.
It's exciting because I think you can do anything you want to do, if it makes sense and it's the right thing. I think one of the things that we cannot do is sit on our heels and go, oh, we've been successful. That's not going to serve our members.
And we also need to make sure that we don't limit ourselves. We need to open up the credit union and let people know the best kept secret in San Francisco.
We're very proud of how we're serving our community and how we partner with our community and community service, and we're really creating that franchise value that has really increased for our organization, building to that uncommonly good banking proposition.